Hey guys, so today let's talk about a problem that almost every beginner in Kali Linux faces. You type in the terminal ifconfig it 0 down and you got this error saying operation not permitted. Don't panic, this is actually super common. When I first saw this, I was like, wait, what did I do wrong? So here's the thing. In Linux, if you want to disable or enable your network interface, you need admin rights. Basically, you need to be the root user. Without that, Linux won't allow you to mess with network settings. That's why you're seeing this error. The fix is actually super easy. Instead of just typing the command, you add sudo in front of it. Watch this: sudo ifconfig it 0 down, hit enter, put in your password if it asks, and boom, no more error. And to bring it back up again, you just type this, and that re-enables the interface.